Hi, my name's Anna Lawson. I'm food and reviews writer at BBC Good Food, which means it's my job to test a lot of products, including new food and drinks, and doing equipment reviews. And today, I'm very excited to be testing chocolate gifts, so chocolate selection boxes and hampers. So I've got 3 different chocolate selection boxes here from different places in different price points, a lower, medium and more expensive option. So this one is the £27 one from Letterbox Gifts, which is obviously letterbox friendly. And then we've got the mid-range, which is £50 from Chacoco Chocolates, which is a Dorset-based company. And then the more expensive one, which is £99.99, is from Rococo Chocolates, and it's the most expensive selection box. So I'm just going to move these ones and start with the cheapest. So this one is a nice letterbox friendly gift from Letterbox Gifts. Says hand wrapped just for you, which is quite cute. And it comes with a little card. It's really, really nicely wrapped, this one. So I'm just going to open that. And here is what you get inside. So that's a little thing that tells you what's in there. And then you've got salted butter caramel milk chocolate from Amelia Rope Chocolate. That sounds delicious. Ooh. Luxury hot chocolate flakes. A golden bar, milk chocolate with beads of caramel and salted toffee. And then a minty caramel 72% bar. And then a blonde, a natural blonde. I just think this looks so nice. Like, I'd actually love to receive that as a gift. I'm a sucker for a blonde chocolate, which is basically like caramelized white chocolate. So I'm going to try that first, if that's okay. It's caramelized white chocolate, so blonde chocolate. It's from Rococo Chocolate. So I think all of these come from a different chocolate producer in this country, which is nice. That's nice. It tastes quite, it has a bit of an earthy taste. It's got coconut sugar in it, maybe that's why. But yeah, that's nice. So I'm gonna try this one, which is a 72% dark chocolate bar. Oh, it's a raw dark chocolate bar with a vegan caramel filling, sweetened with coconut blossom nectar. And then I think it's got mint flavour. Let's see what this is like. So this is a vegan one. Dark chunks. And it's got like a caramel inside. You can taste that it's got the coconut sugar. It's got a slightly grainy texture, but in quite a nice way. I'm slightly getting mint, but then the middle is caramel. I don't know if you can see. Considering I don't usually like mint chocolate, I actually really like that. And it's vegan, which you wouldn't be able to tell. Cool, so I like that one. I'm going to clear this and then get up the next one. So this is the middle priced one, which is £50, and it's from a company called Chacoco. I have tried some of their things before and I do really like them, but I've never seen what's in this hamper. So I think it's an assortment of their best sellers. Yeah. So little message there to tell me that. And then this is the box. So it's a really nice box, which has got little strings, tissue paper. Oh, everything's individually wrapped. I'm going to unwrap everything now and lay it all out on the table. So we've got candied orange and dark chocolate. Dark chocolate with ginger. sea salt caramel chocolates. Honeycomb and milk chocolate. Milk chocolate drops. It's like Christmas. Dark chocolate coffee beans. And then we've got two bars here. So we've got a We've got a 70% Madagascar dark chocolate and a caramelized white chocolate studded with cocoa nibs, which looks really good. So I think everything looks really, really nice. I love the packaging. I'm pretty sure it's all eco-friendly as well. It's largely recyclable. Really nice branding, and you definitely get more, obviously, in this one because it's the medium-priced one at £50 than in the previous. I'm very excited by this because I love a caramelised white chocolate. And then the sea salt caramels look delicious. I'm going to open these. And these ones won the International Chocolate Awards for British chocolates in 2017. So these are like proper cute little box of chocolates, and then they're really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to try a sea salt caramel. I think I might eat the whole thing because I don't know how runny the caramel is. So these are really delicious. The caramel is really liquidy. I think it uses muscovado sugar, which you can taste. It's that proper like caramelized taste, and a nice amount of salt, not too salty, and really good quality chocolate. I love those. They're delicious. So I'm going to put these down. I'm going to try something else. Haven't had any honeycomb yet. So it's handmade using local Dorset honey and coated in Venezuelan milk chocolate. Sounds good. Yeah, the packaging is compostable, which I really rate. So instead of being like fully honeycomb, it's like bits, which I think is maybe nicer. Big chunks. Really nice milk chocolate. Creamy, not too sweet. It's definitely nicely not too sweet to counteract with the honeycomb. I really like that. So I really want to try this because I really just love this kind of chocolate. So again, it's gold chocolate or blonde chocolate, which means kind of like a caramelized white chocolate. It's just, for me, I think, better than normal white chocolate. It just tastes delicious. So yeah, again, it's a really nice bar of cocoa nibs, and the packaging's compostable. This looks really satisfying, like chunky. I'm into that. That's really good. I love this kind of chocolate. It's just really like caramel tasting. I just think it's way better than normal white chocolate. And this is a really satisfying texture. It really melts in your mouth. And it's got good bite. I absolutely love that. So then there's another good range of things, maybe for more adult palates, like chocolate covered coffee beans and dark chocolate with ginger. But I'm gonna move on to the next one now. So this is the final one. I'm excited to see what's going to be in this because it's £99.99. So I'm guessing there's going to be quite a lot of stuff in there. This one's from Rococo Chocolates, and it's called their Chocolatier's Selection. Ooh, really, really, really nice box. So this is in a really, really nice box with a beautiful ribbon and looks very impressive. Like, imagine receiving that as a gift. I'd be really, really chuffed. Haven't opened it yet though. So, ooh. Ooh. So this looks really, really beautiful and very exciting. These gorgeous champagne truffles look lush with a little bow. And then we've got chocolate almond olives. So they actually look like olives and they're again really cutely tied up. Espresso shots, so they're like chocolate covered, like coffee flavoured bean things. A really chunky bit of soft Italian nougat that looks amazing. It's obviously pistachio, so it's green. And then we've got 3 bars, a sea salt, a crystallized ginger, and a cardamom white chocolate. That's interesting. I like the sound of that, and I love the packaging. And then I'm not sure what's in here, but I guess just selection, yeah, Rococo English chocolate selection. So what I'm really intrigued to try are these chocolate almond olives. So these like properly look like little olives. Really shiny. So there's an almond inside. It was covered in a really nice thick layer of dark chocolate, but not too dark. It's not bitter or anything. I like that. Anyone who likes nuts, like chocolate covered nuts, would like those. And then, I don't love champagne truffles, but they look amazing. So if you do, I'm sure they're really good. I'd be keen to try one of these bars. Be keen to try a cardamom white chocolate. I think the packaging is really beautiful. So, again, this is all like recyclable, so I think that's good. It looks really nice. Got loads of proper nibs in it. I don't know if that's just cardamom or if it's got vanilla or anything in it. Satisfying chunky texture. Good white chocolate, very sweet. Creamy, very creamy. Yeah, and you do just get a hint of cardamom. That's nice. Cool, so now I've tried all of these things. I'm gonna get the other 2 up and just discuss my final verdict. Okay, so this is gonna be a really tough one to call because they're all really good and I love chocolate and they all have some really, really delicious things in them. What I would say is this one is actually a really, really nice gift for if you wanted to send something not too expensive and that can go straight through someone's letterbox. It's got hot chocolate, a few different bars from different producers around the country, and it is very sweet and really, really nicely wrapped. So it would make a really nice gift. This one, there's some really tasty things in here. I love the gold blonde chocolate with the cacao nibs and honeycomb. But then if you're more of a dark chocolate lover, there's loads in there. And I like how all the packaging's eco-friendly. And you get a lot of different things. And then this one, yes, it is really expensive, but it's beautifully wrapped. Everything is wrapped with a bow. Everything's really pretty. I think if you're going to go for a blowout gift for maybe Christmas or a birthday for a real lover of not just chocolate, but everything's sweet, then you'd go for this one. So it's really, really, really hard because I like them all. If I really had to pick, I'd probably go for this one just because I love that caramelized white chocolate and I really like the honeycomb and I like the fact it's all quite eco-friendly. Okay, so absolutely love trying all that chocolate. Watch out for my next video where I'll be unboxing and reviewing something else.